everybody! So today we're at the Rattlesnake Conservation Park and we're gonna hike. This is the map and we're here. Gonna continue this yellow path here up until this intersection. We're gonna head to the Crawford Lake. The rest of the trail is not shown on this map, but yeah, it's gonna be a 2-hour hike. So the animals that we can see here, the turkey vulture, I think I've seen one the other week around. Oh, some snakes. They're not venomous, so that's good. And the white-tailed deer. Ooh. So beautiful. Gotta be careful though. Found these beautiful flowers. I want to try to identify them with my book. You have it here. 5 petals. Obviously white. The leaves, it seems like this is one branch with 3 leaflets because the leaflets are in one plane. I'm not totally sure. The stem doesn't seem woody to me, so it's not a shrub or vine, at least in my opinion. We can do rock climbing here. That's so cool. Did you see him? He's up there. Oh, that's so cool. These hooks, these are for rock climbing. Apparently, this area is popular for rock climbing. I've seen a lot of people doing it. Okay, so we have a little plant here, 5 petals. The leaves are too thin divided. The stem is pretty long with leaves are alternate, I think, because we have like one branch here, one branch the opposite way. So okay, let's identify it later at home using both the app and the book. I have a little guest here who's waiting for its Uber. You see? Someone's floating. He's floating from this tree, and I would guess he's looking to attach itself to somebody who's passing for some reason. If you know why, tell me in the comment section. You're so cute. Yeah, that's him. Having fun, buddy? Doing your little dance? He's having fun. Okay, goodbye. two beautiful ladies here. This little guy, it's 5 petals, beautiful pink, and I love how the leaves look. Look at that. And we have another friend here. I saw some of them on the way back. Really beautiful. The leaves are different than the one I saw. Maybe the leaves are young, that's why they're different. But this is the leaf. They're really hairy. And let's see, the leaves look alternate to me because they're growing in different directions, and like the point they grow, it's different. Let's get a closer look. The flowers. Okay. This is the flowers, the leaves. Again, a bit hairy. And yes, the leaves are growing in an alternate way. It's quite tall. Ooh, mushrooms! Look at that, it is infested with...
They thought they're pancakes.
You thought they're pancakes?
Maybe I'm hungry.
They're called oyster mushrooms, I think. You have a little canyon thingy here. It's really small, but it's kind of cool. See that? We saw a little snake. I think he might be dead because I see flies around him. Yeah, poor guy. He's probably dead. He's like black with white stripes. I don't think they're venomous. Yeah, this guy is decomposing, and like bugs are having a feast here. Okay, I found another wildflower. Cluster of flowers with 5 petals. They're white. The leaves look like this. They're quite hairy. Look at the stems. It's woody. Maybe it's not a wildflower if it's woody. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. So we have a bench here. You see that? It's so small on the camera. But he's so big. You see that? That's a turkey vulture. I think these are Dame's Rocket, I'm pretty certain. 4 petals from they're from the mustard family. Yeah, I think they're Dame's Rocket. can see the leaves and the flowers. And they smell really nice. They're usually white or pink. Yeah, we got some pink ones there, if you can see. Can I get a better? Yeah. You have long, sexy legs. You're so fast. Just a hike because it was really hot. it was exhausting, to be honest. It's really hot and humid today. Like, oh, the car shows 37 degrees. So that was fun. I saw a lot of wildflowers. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.